done. Got 14mm socket, sorry, spanner, and what we're going to do is we're just going to turn it this way. Now you'll notice that this turns as well. Now there's a tiny little thing, it's like a 6 or an 8mm. I can't find my 6mm, so I'm just going to hold it with a pair of pliers, and I'm going to just turn this to tighten the brake up a little bit. And we ain't going forever. Now inside this is I'll try and get a picture that's like, this bolt has a curve on it like that to fit round this round adjuster, so we'll be leaving it firm on that. So I think it's been a little bit loose for the day I got it. So you can see this moving backwards. Right, so you can see all the crap falling off that as well there. Right, so let's have a quick check of the pedal. Sorry, the lever. Let's have a quick take a photo. Oh yeah, that's much better, getting much better, much firmer. So I'm going to put it just another wee turn, just another wee bit of adjustment, and that'll be me happy, I think. Hold it with my pliers. And I'm just watching for this bit settling back. There we go. Bob on, and this holds the tension on it, so there's no need for anything else. Yeah, that's the lever good, man. I'm good with where the lever is now. Awesome. On to the oil change now. Or next video, or last video, whatever order you're watching in. See you later.